Julie Moreland here, your Norwex independent consultant. Today is laundry day. Actually, the whole beginning of my week consists of laundry day. So the first step of doing laundry is I look at the clothes to see if there are any stains. And I take my Norwex laundry stain remover and apply it to the stain. I let it set there for 5 minutes. Then also when it comes out of the washer, always make sure the stain is gone before you put it in the dryer. How many times have you failed to do that? I've done that many times. So our stain remover has 5 enzymes in it. And so the first enzyme gets rid of proteins. The second enzyme gets rid of carbohydrate type of stains. Third one gets rid of your pectin stains, like your fruits. The fourth one gets rid of simple sugars, like syrup. And the fifth one gets rid of cellulose stains, which is like ice cream. So again, you apply it to the stain, kind of rub it in, and let it set for 5 minutes. Now, our laundry products have no bleach, no optical brighteners, no synthetic dyes, no synthetic fragrances, no gluten, no SLSs, SLESs, and no phthalates and no phosphates. So they're safe to use on all of your clothing. So go ahead and pre-treat your clothes before putting them in the washer, and then make sure you check the clothes when coming out of the washer before you put them in the dryer to make sure those stains are gone. After I have pre-treated my clothes, I put my laundry detergent into the machine. Now we have a couple different laundry detergent options. The first option is our Eco Wash Laundry Detergent Strips. These are great for if you're traveling, going on a cruise, going camping, and you get 36 loads in one package, and it is packaged in a small box like this. I do recommend putting it into like a Ziploc bag in case something spills in your vehicle while traveling. But this is also great if you have a small laundry facility or if you need to go to a laundromat. This is easy to travel with. So it comes in strips, and you tear the strips and put the one strip into the wash. So tear it and you toss it in the washing machine. This works for high efficiency machines. So it's pre-measured, you don't have to worry about a mess. If you're doing like a load of laundry in the sink or maybe a small load in the washing machine, you can tear that strip in half again and just use a little part of it. And then it dissolves in hot water and cold water. And it does have a slight scent. It's a fresh blossom scent for our laundry strips. And it will eliminate your dirt, your oils, your grease, any of the dirt and grime on your clothes. So tear it, toss it, put it in the washing machine. Next option is our powder detergent, Ultra Power Plus detergent. And this bag does 100 high efficiency loads or 66 standard loads. Now some consultants have used this scoop and only found that a half a scoop is enough for them for a full load of laundry. So it depends on your type of water, how many clothes you have in the washing machine, and how soiled the clothes are in your washing machine. But this is the scoop that comes in the bag. That's all you need to do a full load of laundry. And again, all of those no's that I listed before are applies to our powder detergent. Now this has a lot of other uses that consultants have tried as well. You can dilute it in a spray bottle, a teaspoon of the powder detergent and a spray bottle of 8 ounces of water, and you can spray it and use it kind of like an all-purpose cleaner on your lawn furniture or on your oven grates. You can put a scoop into the bathtub with warm water and put your oven racks in there, and it will just melt away all the grease and build up on your oven racks. So a lot of uses for this. It's that we have played around with. But Norwex has recommended it for clothes. You can use it on all types of fabrics, so it's safe for all types of fabrics. Again, you can use it in hot water, warm water, or cold water. And it works great at just getting rid of the stink and the smell in your clothes. Then the third option that we have is our liquid laundry detergent. And this is an enzyme-based detergent. So we don't recommend necessarily for silk or wool for this to be used. But it's great for smelly sports equipment or any urine that might be on something like a pet bed or blanket. And you just use for a high efficiency load, you just use 1 squirt for a small load or up to 3 squirts for a full load in your machine. For a standard machine, 2 pumps or up to 5 pumps, depending again on your water and how soiled the clothes are and how many clothes you have in there. So a little bit goes a long way. You can do 230 high efficiency loads with this little bottle, or you can do 115 standard loads with this bottle. Again, enzyme based, so it helps break down body odors and anything stinky and smelly in your machine. So put the detergent in and then put your clothes in and get that water running. So do you have really dirty, smelly clothes or tough stains or strong odors in your clothes? Consider adding the Microfiber Laundry Booster to your laundry. You will just put 1 scoop, and you can put that scoop into the pre-soak cycle. I sometimes just add it, in my machine I just have to add it right into the drum. And it's great for using it for grass stains or urine, blood, grease, grime, sweat. Think those farmer clothes, mechanics clothes. It works great. It even works in hard water. So it's enzyme based. There's no bleach, there's no ammonia, there's no synthetic fragrances. Then it's also great for deep cleaning your microfiber. So I was just looking through my travel bags and found some wet body and face cloths in my travel bag that have been sitting there for a couple weeks. They're not too fragrant because they do have the back lock in them, and I do try to dry them a little bit before I pack them to return home. But I'm going to show you how to do a deep clean. You get very hot water from your faucet. You don't want to use boiling water. You can fill a 1-gallon tub. I just use a bowl. When I have a few cloths, I just use a bowl. So 1-gallon tub, you would do 1 full scoop of Microfiber Booster, and then maybe 10 cloths in there. But I'm just doing these 2 cloths. I filled my bowl part way with water. I'm just gonna do a 1/2 scoop of microfiber cleaner and put it in there. And then put my cloths in, and you will let them sit in there for about 30 minutes. I'm going to agitate it a little bit too, stir it up. And that hot water will open up the fibers and release everything that's deeply stuck into your cloth. So use it for your Enviro cloth, your face and body cloths, your body scrub mitt, any of those microfiber products that you have, you can deep soak. And again, 30 minutes, then you can throw it into the washer and then throw it in the dryer, or if you rinse it really well, you can put it right into the dryer or hang it to dry if you want. This is not recommended for your delicate fabrics like silk and wool. But again, this is the Microfiber Cleaner Laundry Booster. Do you have stinky clothes going into the laundry? I use Odour Eliminator if I have stinky clothes going into the laundry. My kids play sports, so we get some stinky items in there. So this is our Odour Eliminator. It is enzyme based. What I do for laundry is I pour a cap full and then pour that into my washing machine with the water. You can also use this as like a room spray. You can dilute it 7 parts water to 1 part Odour Eliminator. Dilute that in a spray bottle, and you can spray it in the room to get rid of strong odors in the room, or you can spray it on items that have a stink to them as well. So the Odour Eliminator is great for those stinky laundry items. Another product that I like to use is our Norwex Bright and White. This is a bleach alternative. It will make your colored clothes brighter, and it will make your white clothes whiter. So there's a couple different ways that you can use it. You can use it as a laundry boost. Just throw your laundry in and put in a scoop of the White and Bright, as well as with your other laundry detergent, and let it run. Then another way you can use it is as a hand washing clothes. You can put a scoop in there of the Bright and White into like 2 gallons of cold or hot water, and maybe a 1/2 scoop of the powder detergent that we have, or 1 pump of the liquid, or a strip of the Eco Wash strips, and put that into your 2 gallon of water and let agitate your clothes and get them nice and clean and washed. So that's something that's really good on the go, or if you like to hand wash your clothes or have a small load and you just need one shirt washed for the next day. Then another way to use it is as a pre-treater. You can make a paste with it. So put maybe a half scoop of the White and Bright and a little bit of the Ultra Power Plus or the liquid or the Eco Wash, and add like 2 teaspoons of water to it to create that paste. Put it on the stain on your garment and let it sit for about 10 to 30 minutes, and then throw it in the washing machine and finish it. Another way to use it is you can dilute a third of the scoop of the White and Bright into a bottle of 16-ounce water, and you can use it to spray onto your countertops or onto grout, porcelain, copper. Let it set for 2 to 5 minutes and then just wipe the surface clean, and you'll be amazed at what it can do. So that is the Norwex Bright and White. Make your colors brighter and make your white clothes whiter. So our laundry is washed and ready to go in the dryer. So what do I use next? Our Norwex Fluff and Tumble dryer balls. So these come in a set of 3. They are 100% New Zealand wool, and throw them in and put your clothes in, and they will bounce around in there to keep the airflow going in between all of your clothes so that they dry quicker. Now, if you get static issues with your clothes, one tip that I have for you is to take out your synthetic clothes. So like jogging shirts or any nylon material items, hang dry those. And then also another tip is to set the dryer onto low heat so that you're not, so it's not getting too hot in there. Static gets created with a lot of high heat. And then also don't over dry. Check your clothes, and when they're dry, take them out and be all done with it. You don't want to over dry because that will also create some static. So again, these come in a set of 3, and they do a great job decreasing the length of time it takes for your clothes to dry.